Welcome guys to the class style from my house to yours presents. Today I'm sharing with you these lovely three set candle holders, multi-purpose. So guys, today I'm sharing with you how I made these candle holders, and these are the items that I've used. Now these were from an existing piece that was done temporarily for a wedding. So I had two pieces done from it, and I have one plain piece. And this was from a lighting fixture, and I'm always getting lovely pieces from lighting fixtures set to revamp. And so I'll share with you how I made these pieces. So first off, I have my glue gun set. I am using E6000 also, and I have my glasses here. There are three different levels, and so I was thinking of placing one of these on top of the bottom of the glass. I thought of doing it on the glass piece turn on the other side, but I did not like how it was looking, so I'm going with this style. And I'm just going to use my glue and glue the piece in place. I'm using my E6000 for long term adhesive, and I'm still going to use my glue gun to hold it in place till that sets. Now I'm placing these on top of the glass. Now I don't know how the original glass lighting fixture was, so I cannot say, but I'm reusing it for this purpose. It has lovely beads on it, and I just like how they dangle. So I'll stick each one to the bottom of the glasses. And guys, thanks for being with me, and thank you for all my subscribers. You have made this event of mine a very lovely one, and I always look forward to your comments and for your being here. I also love visiting your channels. I try to do so, and I try to respond to everybody's messages, even with a heart. So guys, I just adhere it to the piece. And these are how it looks. It has three different levels: a large, a medium, and a small. And I find it looks so pretty. Now this one did not have any jewelry stickers to the bottom, so I'm just gonna adhere some to that particular piece. I think what happened to the other one like this from the set, it broke, so I had to replace it with this other piece. So these are from the lighting fixture also. And guys, I've used this piece on another lighting fixture that I made. I'll share that with you also. And I'm just placing it on top of the glass piece with the beads. Again, I'll use the two different glues. Of course, you can use whatever glues you want to. Stick it in place, and you notice there is a little hole coinciding with the hole on the existing piece. So I was thinking, this can hold different size candles. So I can use slim candles. I can also use chunkier candles. So I have a last one to adhere, and I'm already loving how it looks. It has a lovely glow to it, has an elegant look to it, and this could be used in any event. But of course, I'm using it at my home. So these are the jewelry stickers I have already. I did not purchase anything here, guys. Like I said, the glass were used at an event, and I had them there. And the other pieces I had gotten. So I'm just adhering the beads to the piece, placing it at the bottom. ensuring that it's stuck nicely. Now when I do use jewelry stickers, I still like to put a little glue on it to hold it in place because sometimes it becomes undone. And I'm placing just at the top of the rim and at the bottom. Just, for it to tie into the other pieces. So guys, I hope you are well. I hope everybody's enjoying themselves and enjoying your day. And I hope, you are blessed. So I'm almost finished. I'll turn this upside down and just restick the piece it because it was not yet dried and it did not hold. Alright, so that's it, I think. Just press it down in place. So guys, the first one and the last one has the same type of stickers on them with a little piece of diamond wrap. But I did not have any of those materials, so I just had to use the jewelry stickers on this one. But it tied in very nicely and it looks good. So what I love about this, I can use different sizes of candles on them. So this is just an example. So I can use these thicker ones and I can use these slim, taller ones, and all of them when light up they looks lovely. I love the fact that it can use different levels, different heights, and guys, it turned out lovely. I also can use these smaller ones. Thanks for being with me, and from my house to yours, I'm the class style saying, guys, I'll catch you later. Bye for now, and may Yah bless you.